it's just becoming a joke. Like, I literally nearly vomited, absolutely dislike and hate, and I just think it's so ugly. I would never wear them in my whole life, obviously personal style. Hey guys, it's Joe, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video that you guys absolutely love. I really enjoyed filming it and I think you guys loved watching it. So here is part 2. It's going to be trends that need to die. Obviously in the fashion industry, designers come up with new stuff all the time. Some of the time that stuff is not nice. So I thought I would tell you a few things that I don't like and I think that need to die. If you guys enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up so I know. Hit the subscribe button if you're a new viewer and join the Conza crew. And I just want to apologise for all the weird lighting. The sun is going in and out and won't make up its mind. So I'm sorry about that. Comment down below if you guys enjoy these videos and you want me to do more. Follow my social medias to stay updated with me. And with that being said, let's get into the video. And I just want to make clear and do a disclaimer. I don't dislike you if you have any of this stuff or if you like it. We obviously all have different opinions and tastes. Just bear that in mind. I'm not saying it's ugly. I'm just saying I wouldn't personally wear it and I don't really, like, I'm not 100% fan of it. So it's just an opinion, no hard feelings, so don't take it personal. So if you want to find out what the worst trend in my opinion is, stay to the very end to find out what. So the first trend, I actually kind of liked it first, it wasn't even that bad. And that is the Fendi print. So the Fendi monogram print that like is now overdone. I kind of feel like it's kind of overkill now, and I just feel like I've seen it too much now to like it. And it's kind of brown, like I would never really wear brown, and I guess people are only really wearing brown because it's Fendi. So the next trend, this has kind of died down, but I just thought I'd put this one in here anyway because I don't like it. It's the tiny sunglasses that people wear. I feel like, what is the point of wearing them? Like, there's no point. The tiny ones that are like that. Like, what is the actual point of wearing sunglasses that don't even cover your eyes? Like, I don't get it. And the other ones that are very overkill are the cat eye ones. I've seen them so much now and I'm kind of bored of them. The next one, I went into Selfridges the other day with my friend Marika, and I saw the full like Burberry print trainers and I literally nearly vomited. I think anything all Burberry is just so chavvy and disgusting. Like, and talking of Burberry, something else that needs to die is the new Burberry like print and logo. Like, I think they've got a new creative director and they've changed the logo and I'm just not a big fan of it. I feel like Burberry's very traditional and English and they're trying to make it like fun and like youthful. Like, I feel it just doesn't work. As well, when I was in Selfridges, I kind of realised how much of this one thing was there. And it is every single designer copying the Balenciaga sock boots. I kind of liked it at first, but now it's just becoming a joke. Like Prada, Fendi, like every single place is now having these sock boots, and I just think it's just so overkill. Like, how many different versions of one thing is going to be made? I just think anything sock boots is kind of like trends over. Like, it was cute a few months ago, but now it's not cute. These are the new Yeezys, the Desert Rats or whatever the hell they're called. I think they're absolutely ugly. Chunky, they remind me of the Balenciagas as well. I just feel like, I just think the Yeezy ones are also not my cup of tea. Don't really like them. This is kind of quite common in men's fashion and I would not wear this myself. I really don't like wide-legged trousers, like people that just wear and they're like really like wide-legged and big. I just really don't like them either. Not a fan. So I feel like that's another trend that needs to die. Is the new like Gucci logo print, whatever. It's kind of really ugly as well. It's like Gucci, but it's not even like traditional Gucci. It's like G-U-C-C-Y. It's like really weird. I don't like it. It's like gold and black and I just don't like that either. So I feel like that needs to die. I actually absolutely dislike and hate, and I just think it's so ugly. I would never wear them in my whole life. Obviously personal style. But it's the new Balenciaga trainers. Okay, my last trend I said about the Balenciaga trainers that were overdone, the race runners, and I was right, no one really wears them anymore. There's some new ones and they are absolutely even more vile. They're so big and chunky and I just think that's so disgusting to look at. Like, I personally would never wear them, don't like them. I've seen them in store, they're even worse in real life and they are so heavy. So absolutely hate them, needs to die. Well, a few trends that I don't really like and I feel like need to die. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up so I know. Hit the subscribe button if you're a new viewer and join the Conza crew. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this and I will see you guys in my next video. I love every single one of you guys. Bye.